Hi there, check out the EMODA 35-inch folding desk, perfect for your home office or study space. This desk folds easily to save space and is portable enough for picnics or outdoor use. It's versatile, serving as a computer desk, gaming table, writing surface, or even a dressing table. With no assembly required, you can set it up or fold it down in seconds. The desk features a sturdy steel frame with a powder-coated finish and a durable, scratch-resistant particle board top. Measuring 35 inches long, 15.7 inches wide, and 29.5 inches high, it fits nicely in small rooms or dorms. Whether at home, office, or college, this narrow folding desk offers convenience and style in one compact design. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.